Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Santa Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the hat. Draw a curved line across near the top of the page. Then curves up on either side. And then one more curve to close off the fur on the hat. Now add a curve across the top. Lastly, add the pom-pom at the top of the hat with a bumpy circle. Let's draw the shape of the body next. Draw a long line down, and then curve it in at the bottom. Do the same thing for the other side. And now connect them with a line at the bottom. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw 2 circles inside near the top. And then color them both in black. Let's add the glasses now. Draw a circle around the left eye. And then another circle around the first one. Now do the same thing on the right side. Then add 2 curves in the middle for the nose piece. Let's add the eyebrows next with wavy curves inside the glasses at the top. Draw the nose next with an oval in between the eyes. Then the mouth under with a U shape. Let's draw the beard next. On the left side, start from the hat and draw a J-shaped curve down to the bottom side of the glasses. Then do the same thing on the right side. Now add small lines on either side of the nose. For the bottom of the beard, start from the side and draw a curve down to the middle of the body. And then do the same thing on the other side. Let's draw the belt next. Start with a rounded rectangle under the center of the beard for the belt buckle. And then another of the same shape inside. And now color it in black. Then add curves on either side for the top of the belt. And do the same thing below on either side. Now color the belt in black. Lastly, let's add the fur going down the middle of the body. Start with 2 lines above the belt buckle. And then add another set of lines inside. And that's it for this cute Santa Squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!